Hello. How to replace rear shock absorbers in Volvo 940? Easy. The car is raised and sits on the axle. Rubber plug out. The upper bolt is unscrewed but in place. The bottom bolt goes through and there is a nut on the other side. I counterlock the nut. The lower nut is out. I push the shock upwards to shorten it. The upper bolt is out and I remove the shock. New shock in. The shock ear is aligned with the opening. The upper bolt is in. I lower the shock to the bottom opening and put the bolt through. The nut on the other side is on. Counter hold. And I tighten that bottom bolt. The upper bolt is tightened. The plug is pushed on. Repeat on the other side. Change it always in pairs. This is it. Till next time.